Excelsior! Excelsior Cafe. There's another one here. Looks like they're a chain, I guess. Alright. So we're gonna go to, I think it stopped raining, but I think we're gonna go to a Don Quixote or Itoya stationery store. Oh, green tea. Ginza and Paris. Alright. Oh, there's more green tea. Oh, there's like green tea shops all around. Might need to come back here. Golf clinic. Wanna play golf here?
Huh?
Well, wanna pick up golf? There's a golf clinic up there. Avocado Fiesta. Oh, that's a Subway.
There you go.
It's a Subway. We might need to rely on $5 footlongs. Not sure if they have that here. Oh, is it? Oh, it's a train station. What a tease. It's nice though. It's a nice train station. My zooming skills suck. Let me try. Cinematic zoom out. Oh, you know what? So this is actually a theater. It's a kabuki theater. It's a kabuki theater. It just happened so that there was a train station right, like, underneath it. So it's actually a kabuki theater. So that's interesting. Ikinari steak. What is that? Oh, I can't get a good shot. Oh well.
I think 1%er.
1%er. Friend says he thinks it's for the very rich, and I probably agree. We don't know where we are anymore. We have Google Maps, so we'll be fine, I think. We'll turn to the left. This is Ginza, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is Ginza. I think I forgot to mention where we were earlier, so yeah. This is, we're just exploring Ginza right now. Este Pro Labo. Oh, man. There it is. Oh yeah. Beauty salon. Anyone want to look beautiful in Ginza? Go there. So, while walking down the street, we saw a dead rat. I decided to spare all of you from that, so yeah, but there was a dead rat on the side of the street, off of the sidewalk, but it's kind of gross. Oh, there's Tiffany's. Kit Kat, Chocolate Tory, Ginza. Okay, we're gonna go inside there. This should be fun. Let's see what other Kit Kat flavors they have here. Oh, look at all the Kit Kats. Oh, look at that. A little tower of Kit Kats. Here. We should get this one. What is this? Oh, okay. Oh, the sake Kit Kat. Okay, ask him if he wants this one. Okay. Sake. So many flavors, so many choices. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go with the sake one. Hippos! We are in Itoya, in Ginza. We found these hippos. How much? Oh my.
Guess how much this costs?
What?
Just guess.
That? Okay, you're all gonna guess with me. Okay. $10? No? How much? Where?
Right here.
Oh my goodness. I was close. I was kind of close. I was kind of close. Oh, anyway. So this is a wee forest folk. It's really nice. Really well made figurines here. But what's shocking is the price tag. But they're really well made though. So anyone who's really into arts, consider buying this from Itoya in Ginza. More nice handicraft. Oops, wrong way. Got a little minis here. It's really nice. Very nice. I'm in the high-end area of Ginza. I showed you Itoya. Everything was so pricey. Where is this? Louis Vuitton. Channel? What's Channel? The Chanel. And it's starting to rain again. It was lit up earlier, but it's starting to rain again, so we're gonna go to Don Quixote and then probably head off back to our residence, Michael Kors. Okay. How far is Don Quixote from you? 11 minutes? 11-minute walk. Here we go. Cinco.